how is AI changing competitor analysis, and how can brands use AI to keep better track of what their competitors are doing in the advertising and marketing world?
Obviously, number one is creative. If you ask an LLM to analyze creative for you, it's not going to do that very well at the moment. And it can do that well eventually if you set it up in a way to use skills, to use an instruction set that you create yourself. And that essentially becomes your manual that LLMs use to better analyze creative so that it can pinpoint sort of what are the elements that you have told them they should be focused on analyzing, and then comparing that with another full set of creatives that are in the market that belong to a set of competitors that you give it. But when you have already gated competitive intelligence tools like Motion App that does that all for you already and uses skills or AI systems that are more robust than instruction sets that you create, that I think is a better way to improve the creative analysis that you do, because it already has a creative analysis framework built, and it already also has a lot of creative that engine or that framework has been built on and trained on. A real life example of how we've done this, and it actually has become quite exciting to chat through, are AI tags that our creative analysis tool provides us. They tag the creatives so that we don't have to do it ourselves. And they also provide us with an idea of what's actually working better and how often they see this type of concept, say hook or say a headline, work in the industry. So it does a lot of the heavy lifting for you. And it's actually, when we've looked at it ourselves and we use that human touch to see, does the AI tags match what we would say this creative represents, it does come pretty close. So I chatted a lot about creative, and I wanted to explain that the most difficult thing to analyze, and it's very subjective, is essentially creative. Because it's quite easy to go and take a look at a competitor's media mix. It's modeled estimated spend or impressions that you get from gated tools like Pathmatics or SimilarWeb. And that is more quantitative in nature. But what's very qualitative in nature is creative. So I'd say one of the biggest unlocks that AI has helped us achieve at scale and very quickly is to conduct more robust and more interesting and insightful creative analyses.
Talk to me about evaluating the media mix or the spend or other areas that AI can do competitive analysis.
So I do want to caution everyone that all of these competitor intelligence tools that provide you with spend, impressions, estimated cost per click, they're all modeled. And they're all based on sample sizes. And this type of information means that the more you use AI to estimate, quote unquote, and to predict, quote unquote, the levels of spend of a single competitor, the more wrong it's going to probably be. Because you're not supposed to look at any of these numbers in absolute terms. And the tools that we use, the reps tell us this. So they say that a lot of it is directional. What you're really more so wanting to ensure that you do is not to just use AI to predict the spend just because it can do it super easily. Because that's just going to hallucinate a lot more, because they're using information that's still based off a lot of modeling. So if you see like that in January, competitor one spent 200K, and then you see in February it spent 400K, directionally, you can say that it increased in spend, but you should be very cautious in saying that it spent exactly 200K and it spent exactly 400K in January and in February.
Okay.
Yeah. So I don't really like to analyze quantitative metrics that are modeled using AI. I think that AI is pretty bad at calculations because it's
Yeah.
not built for that. So my point around media mix and how AI can help that the best is actually having all of that data and creating skills, so instruction manuals and substance sets that use the AI to actually format it into a deck or into a PDF that's very presentable much faster than we can.
Perfect.